Push me right against the fire. Show me right from wrong. Make me safer and stronger. Leaving those anxious nights. I'll go crazy if I don't open up this time. I know it's all in my head. I'm stone cold sober now. I'm finally waking up. I'm detoxifying my ill-filled lungs, cleaning my soul to the bone. Calming my thoughts which are polarized. Escape just in time. I feel the air around my lungs getting tighter, it's harder to breathe. I'll go crazy if I don't open up this time. I know it's all in my head. I'm stone cold sober now. I'm finally waking up. I'm detoxifying my ill-filled lungs, cleaning my soul to the bone. Drowning out the voices in my head that make me question every step I take. Drowning out the doubt and all the memories that stop me from being who I truly am. I'm stone cold sober now. I'm finally waking up. I'm detoxifying my ill-filled lungs, cleaning my soul to the bone. I'm reinstalling all of my beliefs. I'm finally ready to go. I'm stone cold sober now, and I can finally free my mind. I'm stone cold sober now. I'm finally waking up.